In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up abandoned cart recovery in Wix Stores. Abandoned cart recovery helps bring shoppers back to finish their purchase when they've added items to the cart but didn't check out. We'll set up an automated email that goes out to those customers, and I'll point out a few tips to make it effective and on-brand. Start by opening a new browser tab and searching for Wix. Open the official Wix site and log into your account. Once you're in, if you manage more than one website, select the specific Wix site you want to work on and click. Select Site to open its dashboard. On the left panel of the dashboard, find and click Automations. This is the hub where Wix can react to customer actions, like leaving a cart without you having to do anything manually. In Automations, click the plus button to create automations. This opens templates and options you can use right away. In the search bar, type Abandoned Carts and choose the template that appears. Click Setup. This template is designed to detect when a shopper leaves items behind and automatically follow up for you. You'll see the workflow with its trigger and action laid out, making it easy to understand what's happening. Next, click on Send an email to open the email action. Then click Edit on the email to launch the editor. This is where you'll tailor the message to match your brand and encourage the customer to return. In the editor, customize the subject line to be clear and friendly. Add your logo, adjust the headline, and make sure the product section showcases the items left behind. Keep the message helpful, not pushy. Remind the customer what's in their cart and include a clear Return to Cart button. You can personalize the greeting with the customer's first name and keep your tone consistent with your brand voice. Update the theme and background to align with your brand colors and fonts. Aim for strong contrast so text is easy to read, and check the mobile preview to ensure everything looks great on smaller screens. Finally, double-check that all links, especially the Return to Cart button, work correctly. Save your changes in the email editor and close it to return to the automation. Now, make sure the automation is turned on so it's live. Look for the toggle or status indicator and confirm it's active. That's it. Your abandoned cart recovery is set up. From here on, Wix will automatically email shoppers who leave items behind, helping you recover lost sales while keeping your brand front and center.